Welcome to an Achieving Science video. This video is all about deoxyribonucleic acid, otherwise known as DNA. Proteins. The building blocks of proteins are amino acids. Proteins are made up of one or more long chains of polypeptides and are found in the human body as enzymes, hemoglobin, antibodies and tissues. So amino acids are joined together to form a polypeptide chain. Amino acids contain two functional groups, the amino group NH2 and the acidic carboxyl group COOH. Here we've got a diagram of an amino acid. The red shows the amino group, the NH2, and the purple shows the carboxylic group, COOH. Amino acids then are joined to form a polymer known as polypeptides. The reaction is an example of a condensation reaction. Condensation polymerization is a reaction where water is produced. In this reaction, monomers are joined, which in this case are amino acids. They result in a polymer and water being formed. Here you can see the reaction between two monomers, two amino acids. Here you can see where water can be formed and the bond can be made. Water is made up of H2O, so two hydrogen atoms and an oxygen atom. The reaction therefore can be summarized as the monomer produces the polymer. Remember, the polymer has the open bonds that allows and emphasizes that this is part of a big long repeating chain. We need to signal that water is formed and also the number of monomers that is formed at the same time. This is represented by the letter N. So if you have 100 amino acids being joined, it produces a chain of 100 amino acids in length and 100 molecules of water are produced. Enzymes then. The shapes of enzymes are extremely important. They have an active site. The active site acts like a lock and key mechanism, where the active site is the lock and it will be matching of the substrate that acts as a key. The amino acids and their sequence allow proteins to give different shapes. Deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, is found in all living things and many viruses. It is made up of two polymer chains, where the monomers are called nucleotides. They form a double helix structure, so a twisted like ladder shape. Nucleotides then contain a base. They contain possibility of 4 different bases. They can be A, C, G or T. Their proper names are shown in the diagram. Bases. These form complementary base pairs and form cross links which keep the strands together. This means that C only joins with G and A only joins with T. They have a matching shape. Again, this can be shown in the diagram. Other naturally occurring polymers include starch, cellulose.